Hello everyone, welcome back to How Tutors. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can block someone in your Google chat account. Okay, if you think that you don't want to talk with someone or you want to block someone, then you can easily block them. So how can you block them? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So just select or go to any inbox or any user inbox. Then click here. You can see click the user profile name here, just click on this. When you click on this, then scroll down a little bit, then you can see the option block option, this one. Okay, simply click block and a copy of the last 5 messages will go to Google. So simply click block, then that user will be blocked. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.